guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor and today we're going to be doing another Starpil wax review. So today's wax that I'm trying is going to be the pink film beads right here. That's a 10-pound bag that I have. So I have been using this wax for about 2 months now, I believe. Almost 3 months. I've been using this wax for almost 3 months now, and I actually really enjoy it. I love it a lot more than the Star Soft. I love it a lot more than the Star Soft wax. The pink film bead wax is amazing. I love it. My clients love it. They can tell the difference in it compared to the other one. They like this one a lot more because it attaches to just the hair, not the skin and the hair. That's what one of my clients have said, but they really enjoy it, and I'm really glad that I get amazing results with the wax. So I'm going to tell you how much this wax costs first. So I bought a 10-pound bag. I believe it was like $150. It's between like the $150 and the $170 range per bag, and that's just a 10-pound bag. And I believe the 5-pound bag maybe be $130 to $150. So the first couple of times I bought 5-pound bags just because I wasn't really sure if I was going to continue to use it, but I really do enjoy this wax. My clients love it. A lot of them told me to not try different wax, but I really wanted to try different wax. But I can work with pretty much any wax and still get amazing results out of it for my clients, which is what I really love. The Starpil pink film bead wax is amazing. I know in my last review I said that I didn't like Starpil at all, but the Starpil Star Soft wax was the first wax I've ever tried from them. So I was really like upset because I was like, maybe this won't be as good as, or maybe like this wax is going to be just as bad as the other wax was. Like personally for me, I did not like the Star Soft wax at all. Like I said in my last review, I'm sticking to that. In my last video I showed you like me actually using it, the consistency of it, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna do the same exact thing in my last video that I did this one. If I forget something, I'm sorry. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding this wax. So this wax has a low melting point. So basically I'm going to tell you how I actually bought the Starpil Star Wax. So the Starpil pink film bead wax. I'm going to forget how to say it every single time, but I promise you I'll probably put like something over me saying like it's the pink film bead wax. So I had a client book like a full body wax, and I was using the Starpil 2-pound double wax warmer, and I really needed a lot more wax than that. So I was like, okay, I need a 5-pound wax pot, but I didn't want to spend like $300 just on the wax pot. So I was like, okay, let me see if any wax companies that I like or that I've heard good things about, see if they have any bundles. So that's basically what I did. So I went to Starpil. I looked it up, look at all the other reviews that are on YouTube regarding this wax, because they have a blue film wax as well. So for me personally, I just assumed they were kind of like the same thing. Maybe the blue is a little bit better, I'm not too sure. But I have the receipt right here in front of me from when I bought it. I bought it March, and the total price for the whole like bundle I got, so I got a 5-pound wax pot. If I'm looking down, I have this paper. I have the Starpil paper right here. But so total it cost $350. So I bought a 5-pound wax pot. I got a 5-pound of pink film beads, so I got wax with it too. Then I got some wax sticks as well. Wax sticks for like brows, and then like body waxing sticks as well. And then I got a pre-care wax gel. Then I got post-care wax lotion and a post-care wax oil, and all that cost $3.50, which I thought was a good deal, just because, you know, I'm getting a little bit of everything. Like, you're literally getting a starter kit for waxing. So I did that, and so that's how I really got into doing like getting the pink film bead wax. So I really enjoy it. I really have good things about it. Like I said, I'm gonna cut straight to the point to where I like it, and to show you what it's like, and all that good stuff. Like I said, I've already used it. It's already open, so they fill it up to pretty much the top for this is a 10-pound bag. So I really enjoy this wax. I actually love it. Yeah, I get really great results from it. The only thing is it doesn't pick up fine hairs, so that's a little bit of a struggle, but that's okay. I can work with that without a problem. Just lay some thinner strips to make sure it picks up those hairs. Yeah, and also the Starpil wax pot is pretty freaking good, because I know how some wax pots they heat up from the bottom up, but the Starpil wax pot heats it all around. But we're gonna go over to my waxing area, and yeah. And it has a really fast dry time, which I love, because that's what I was having a problem with about the Starsoft wax, was that the wax was taking too long to dry, and I would always have a problem if I wanted to like pick it up early while it was still kind of wet. I just waxed right here, so, but the dry time is pretty fast. I love this wax. I would give it a 8 out of 10. Yeah, that's what I would give this wax. Like I said, I believe, like I said, I will put the right amount on the screen. I will put links down to the waxing kit that I bought, and then the wax itself in the description box. I will put all the information to the wax and the waxing kit that I bought from Starpil down below, just because I really do enjoy my 5-pound wax pot. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys like to see next on my YouTube channel. I'm probably going to start doing a lot more wax reviews, just because I really enjoy waxing, and people want to know what wax is good and what's not. I've heard a lot of good things about derm wax from spotorder.com. I've heard a lot of good things about black coral wax, so I want to really get those two to try on my clients and see if they like those as well, because I've heard a lot of good things about both of those. So I'm really excited to try them. I'm gonna have to get one. I have to get one of those pretty soon, but I'm probably gonna try Spot Order, because they have I could probably buy samples from it. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys would like to see on this channel. I will be leaving my business Instagram down below. It is Radiant Lux Aesthetics. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.